All right, so for this project, you are going to need a plugin called PaperZD. It's something I definitely recommend anytime you are dealing with 2D sprites in Unreal Engine. It makes life so much easier. There's not a lot of stuff built in for 2D and sprites in Unreal Engine. Games have been made in 2D and especially like 2.5D in Unreal Engine, and it definitely works. But there's not a lot of built-in help for it. So anytime you do 2D in Unreal Engine, I highly recommend this plugin because it just makes a lot of things easier. So if you're in the Epic Games launcher like me here, you're going to go to Fab here on the left, or you can go to fab.com online, but sometimes that one is blocked if you're on District Network, but this one usually works. And you're going to search for PaperZD. And because Fab has way more things than it needs, it's going to come up with all the stuff that isn't what you're looking for. So we're going to go formats for Unreal Engine, and somewhere we can switch it. This is all a new system for me too. Tools and plugins. So we're going to go on the left here, tools and plugins, because it's a plugin. And then it should come up. So here's PaperZD. This is what it should look like if you find it. And if you click on it, it's going to say you need to install the plugin to Unreal Engine, and that's what you want to do. So this is my engine version 5.6, so I'm going to install it to that. And it's going to download. And then when it's done, it'll now be part of my library. So if I go into my library here, this is going to be my game library, just a second. If I go to Unreal Engine and I go to my library and I look down here in the Fab library for PaperZD, it should be here. If I look at my installed plugins, it says it has PaperZD installed and Quixel Bridge. I mean, I can update that plugin as well. But you can click this install plugins button under your engine and see which ones you have installed. So now I'm going to launch it, and before it's enabled in my project, I actually have to set like click a box for the plugin. So loading Unreal Engine, stand by. All right, so in here, I am going to make a project for this game. So I'm going to go to the games folder. I'm going to do a blank project. I'm going to call this RPG video so that I know that I'm doing this one with you guys for the video. But you can call it whatever you want your game name to be. And again, blank project in games. We're going to create that wherever you want to save it. By default, it's going to go into an Unreal Projects folder created on your computer or on OneDrive if you're on OneDrive. And now wait for that to load. Come on, I believe in you. And so when we have this open, just gonna take a second because my computer doesn't like it right now. This over here. So this is our blank screen, right? We're not gonna actually use this level. So instead we're going to create our own level. So we're gonna go do that in the next video though, because I don't actually like start on the project. But in this video, I do want to show you how to do those plugins again. So we are gonna go into Edit up at the top, and we're gonna go down to Plugins. We're gonna click on that. And then we're gonna search for PaperZD, which should come up only if we installed it to the engine. If you didn't install it, it's not going to come up. You're just going to get this Paper 2D, which should already be enabled, which is just what's built into Unreal for Paper, for sprites. And so we're going to click on PaperZD, and it's going to have us restart the engine, and we're going to restart now. And then when it pulls up the project again, it should have that plugin enabled, and we should be able to use it. So that's the process. This can be done after you create a project and you've already worked on it for a bit, like if you just forgot to do it and you need to come back. Like it doesn't have to be at the beginning, but we are going to use it, so I just want you to have it installed and ready to go.